So very good morning to all of you. Today we will going to see problem number 20. Your problem number 20 goes like this way. Following is a summarized balance sheet of Sunshine Limited as on 31st March 2021. Authorized capital, share capital. It is just for information. Okay. But we will not consider while calculating the sum. Authorized capital is just to give information to us that this is a maximum permissible share capital which a company is allowed to issue in the market. We are only concerned with issued and paid up capital. So issued and paid up capital given as under 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up 5 lakh rupees, 5,000 9% redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up 5 lakh rupees. Under reserves and surpluses we have two divisible profit, profit and loss account 2 lakh rupees and general reserve 1 lakh rupees. Then we have current liability of 50,000. On the asset side, we have fixed asset 5 lakh 50,000, investment 1 lakh rupees, cash at bank 1 lakh 20,000, other current asset 5 lakh 80,000. On 1st April 2021, company sold part of its investment at rupees 72,000 at a loss of 10% loss. So we will going to see how this 10% loss will be calculated and how we can able to know how much amount of investment sold by the company. For further, company decided to number one, redeem preference shares at a premium of 5%. Second, issue equity shares of rupees 10 each at par to the extent it required under the Companies Act for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. Okay. So first of all, we will going to see how much divisible profit we can utilize for creation of CRR and whatever the shortfall that will be arranged by issue of equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. Arrange temporary bank overdraft. Okay. The fund is required. Show necessary journal entries in the books of Sunshine Limited to record the above transaction. Prepare balance sheet thereafter. Okay. Now let's move to the problem sheet. The dates are 1st April 2011. So all entry will be on 1st April 2021. First entry will be of sale of investment. Okay. Now let's see how much investment we have sold. We don't know. So let me calculate a formula. I will say let the cost be X. Okay. Therefore, I can say X minus 0.10 X equals to 72,000. Okay. So 0.9x equals to 72,000. Therefore, x equals to 72,000 divided by 0.90. So x equals to 80,000. Suppose my cost is 80,000 and I am selling the investment at 72,000. So I am making a loss of 8,000 rupees. So my entry will be bank account debited profit and loss account debited to investment account. To investment account. Okay. So I'm getting 72,000 from investment as a cash. 8,000 I made a loss, and total cost of investment was 80,000. So here I will going to write being investment sold at loss. Okay. Now after that, my second entry will be issue of equity shares. Now I will going to see how much number of equity shares I require to sell. I require to issue. Sorry. So I have profit and loss account with me. Profit and loss account. I also have a journal reserve in my balance sheet. Profit and loss have a balance of 2 lakh rupees. General reserve 1 lakh rupees. So 2 lakhs. Here I will write 1 lakh rupees. So total how much I have? 3 lakh rupees with me. Okay. Now what other things I have to deduct from my divisible profit so that the balance amount should be available for creation of CRR. First of all, let's see less loss on sale of investment. How much loss we made? 8,000. Okay. Apart from that, we also require a premium. So I will add less premium on redemption of preference shares. How much I require? Let's see. I'm going to redeem my preference shares at 5% premium, and the total preference share which I going to redeem is 5 lakh. So 5% of 5 lakh comes to 25,000. So here I will write 25,000. Okay. So after deducting these two things, the fund available to create a CRR is how much? 2 lakh 67,000. So 2 lakh 67,000 is a fund available for me to create a CRR. The balance will be arranged by issue of equity shares. So how much equity share capital we will going to have, or we will going to issue? A sum of rupees 2 lakh 33,000. 2 lakh 33,000. That is why the total preference share liability, preference shares capital which we want to redeem is 5 lakh rupees, means 2 lakh 67 plus 2 lakh 33,000. Total we require 5 lakh. So we can able to manage 5 lakh by creation of CRR 2 lakh 67,000 and issue of equity share capital in the market, a sum of rupees 2 lakh 33,000. So let's pass the entry of equity shares. We are going to issue at par. So here I will write bank account debited to equity share capital account. Amount is 2 lakh 33,000. 2 lakh 33,000. So here I will write being 23,300 equity shares issued at par. Okay. My next entry will be of provide transfer of claim. The date will be the same. Entry will be how much number of equity shares we have. We have 9% redeemable preference shares. So here we will write 9% redeemable preference shares of shares capital, share capital account debited account premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to 9% redeemable preference share holders account. So here I will write being claim transferred at 5% premium. Okay. So here we have 5 lakh rupees which we will go to pay against preference share. 25,000 we are giving as a premium. So total we will going to pay 5,25,000. Okay. Next, after this we are going to provide premium for purpose of redemption. Entry will be profit and loss account debited to premium on redemption of preference share capital account. Okay. Amount will be 25,000. We will come to write down the narration being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. Preference shares. Okay. Next entry will be creation of CRR. For creating CRR, we will write profit and loss account debited, journal reserve account debited to capital redemption reserve account. So in profit and loss account, we was having a balance of 2 lakh rupees. So 8 lakh we made a loss and 25,000 we provided a premium. So here it will be 1,67,000. And in general reserve we have balance of 1 lakh rupees. So total we have 2,67,000. Now narration is being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Then after that, my next entry will be of claim settlement. And the entry of claim settlement is 9% redeemable preference share holders account debited to bank. to bank account. And amount is 5,25,000. 5,25,000. Okay. Now narration will be being claim settled at 5% premium. Now they have also told us to make a temporary arrangement of a bank overdraft, but we don't know how much bank overdraft we require. So for that purpose, first of all, we will going to make a balance sheet. Under balance sheet, we will going to make note number 3 related to cash and cash equivalent. Then we can also pass one entry related to bank overdraft. So moving to the balance sheet, this is a format of balance sheet which is already ready. Okay. Now first of all, we always write down about share capital. So I made a note number 1 about share capital. As share capital is concerned, we already have 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So let's write 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. How much we have? 5 lakh rupees. Then during the process of redemption, we have issued 23,300 equity shares of rupees 100 each. Of rupees 100 each. Amount was 2,33,000. So total we have capital balance of 7,33,000. Now coming to reserves and surpluses. First of all, write down about profit and loss account. We were having opening balance of 2 lakh rupees. Now what we did, let's see. We have deducted less loss on sale of 8,000 less premium provided for redemption of preferred shares. How much? 25,000. And then we have also transferred amount to CRR. To CRR account. How much? 1,67,000. So in the outer column, I got 0. Okay. The next, I have general reserve account. I have a balance of 1 lakh rupees. Now the entire amount is transferred to CRR 1 lakh rupees. So in the outer column, we got a balance of 0. Then when we transfer 1,67,000 and 1 lakh to CRR, then we got a sufficient balance in CRR account. So we will write capital redemption reserve account. There we have a balance of 2,67,000. So in capital redemption reserve, we have 2,67,000, and that is also a total of reserves and surpluses, 2,67,000. Now, as non-current liability is concerned, we don't have anything. We only have a current liability. So current liability, we have a sum of rupees 50,000. Okay. Now coming to asset side. Fixed asset, we have 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Okay. Investment. Opening balance sheet shows an investment of rupees 1 lakh. Okay. But during the process, we have sold investment costing rupees 80,000. So 20,000 is still with us. So investment, we will write 20,000. Now, current asset is concerned, we have two items, cash at bank and other current asset. Let's write down other current asset, 5,80,000. And for cash at bank, we need to require cash at bank. For that, we require to make a separate note. So here we will write opening balance in the bank is 1,20,000. Okay. During the process, we got amount from sale of investment. How much we got? We got 72,000. Apart from that, we also got add. We have issued equity shares for redemption of preference shares, and from there we got equity shares. We got a sum of rupees 2,33,000. 2,33,000. Total we have 4,25,000, and we paid to preference shareholders. Paid to preference shareholders. How much? 5,25,000. So there is a bank overdraft of 1 lakh rupees. Bank overdraft. So bank overdraft will go to liability side. So as per schedule number 3, we got 1 lakh rupees. So here our balance sheet got tally. Both the side we got 11,50,000. I hope all of you have understood. There is one entry which related to bank overdraft. So here we can also write down an entry like bank account debited to bank overdraft. Bank overdraft account. Here we will write being temporary bank. What they have written here, temporary bank overdraft is arranged. Draft, bank overdraft is managed. Okay. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. So this is how your entire entry is completed. Your problem is completed. I hope you have understood. We also made a balance sheet, and balance sheet is also got tally. So I hope you have understood the problem and there will not be any difficulties.